guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today doing the April unboxing for the April Glitz Glam Box. And like our motto, we don't do basic, okay? So if you guys don't know, I'm Chanelle, the CEO, creator of the GLITZ GLAM Box, okay? Created it with my sisters. I have 4 sisters, and we love makeup. So yeah, we created the box. And that was that, and the rest is history. So let's get into what we get in the month of April's GLITZ Glam Box. So one of the items is going to be a full-size fan brush. The brands vary on here, but yeah, it's just your typical fan brush. You use it to highlight. I did film this look just before I'm filming this unboxing, so I'm going to post it and you guys can see how I highlighted with the palette in the box, and also with the fan brush in the box, and also with another item that I'm going to show you. Next thing you get is a full-size pair of lashes, and the brand featured this month is Infinite Glow Lashes. So yeah, it's this rose gold kind of gorgeous box, and we thought that went good with the gold leaf, which you also get in this month's box. So yeah, so I'm wearing the lashes in the style Bougie Doll, but there are 7 total styles. This one is in the style Fine Honey. So yeah, they range from like natural to kind of wispy, natural wispy to kind of like, hello, how you doing? Okay. And these are the latter of the two, and I have to give a shout out to one of our subscribers who did an unboxing video and made the best song ever for GLITZ Glam Box. She was like, it's Sassy VT Mom, shout out. If you watched the tutorial, I gave you another shout out, girl. I can't with the song. You be jealous of my lashes. Like, we've literally been singing this ever since we saw your unboxing. Like, that is our theme song. That is our theme song, okay? Okay, shout out to Sassy BT Mom. Cause you be jealous of my lashes. Yeah, like, that's our theme song, legit. And then the next thing you got was these gold leaf flakes from YAAAS Glitters. I think that's such a cute name. Well, these I actually opened for the tutorial, and you can see here. Don't mind my eyebrows, please, because I'm growing them out to be nice and full. So yeah, but so these are the gold flakes, and they are from YAAAS Glitters. And so they come in a package like this, and this is these are some that I already opened because I was just, you just like tap them on your eyes, and I think they're so fabulous. Like, this is very high fashion. It's called fashion. Have you heard of it? But yeah, so I think these are super cute. They were super easy to use. They're very lightweight. They're very comfortable. So instead of a loose glitter or a pressed glitter this month, we decided to give out the gold leaf flakes, and they are so cute. I just love these, and they really make a big impact, you know, on your eyes. Or you can put them wherever, you know, like you could put them on your nails, you could put them, you know, wherever you want, on your hair, if you're doing like a festival look or something. So the next thing was a palette. Can we just talk about what other beauty box gives out as many palettes as we do? I don't want to name any names, but none. So this is the Aesthetica Cosmetics strobe kit. So it comes with a liquid highlighter, and it comes with a powder highlighter. So this is the light to medium version. There's also a tan to deep version. I used actually the light to medium one just because it was the one that was open that we were swatching. But there is a tan to deep one, and I'm going to show you guys that one. And this is the liquid highlighter pen, so it's super, super highlighty. And I used, what shade did I use? I think I mixed these two for my highlight here, and I also put it on my lids underneath the gold flakes. So, and it comes with this booklet, which basically shows you like how to contour and how to highlight and how to strobe. So you can follow the professional instructions, or you can follow my tutorial that I just filmed. But yeah, I mean, honestly, it's just makeup. It's for fun. Play with it. See what works for you. You know, what works for me might not work for you. What works for, you know, whoever might not work for me. So, yeah, so this was the light to medium one, which I am wearing now. And there is the tan to deep one. And I mean, we used everyone's beauty quiz to determine which shade to give them, but honestly, you can use, like, if you're lighter, you can use the darker one. If you're darker, like, see, I'm dark, I use the light one. So it just honestly doesn't matter, but you know, some people only want the light or only want the deep. So we try to make everyone happy, but this is the deep one. So you can see it's a little more golden. The lighter shade is a little more like warm tone versus the light one, which is, let me show you that one. Like, okay, here they go. Here are both palettes side by side. So honestly, they're super similar, so it doesn't really, I mean, like, you can use both of them. I would use both of them. So, but yeah, so you can see they're super, super similar. Like I said, I used the light one today, but this is the deeper one, and they come with a huge mirror. So yeah, so I think, and these are retail $40, so, okay, for $15. You got this, plus you got 3 other items, plus you got free shipping. You're welcome, everyone. You're welcome, everyone. Oh, just kidding. But so I want to show you guys, so that was the April Glitz Glam box. I wanted to give you guys a spoiler for the Mother's Day box. Mother's Day is a one-time purchase box. Obviously, it's not a subscription because Mother's Day is only 1 month out of the year. I mean, 1 day out of the year. Should be more days, but it's only one for now. So we are giving out the Aesthetica Jet Set palette, which is going to be a contour, blush, highlight palette, and I think this is so, so cute. Let me show you guys. And I love the Jet Set theme. Like, you know, last month was glam all over the world for us, so yeah, it comes with this contour, highlight, and blush, and I think it's super, super cute. And yeah, so you get this plus 9 other full-sized items, and it's free shipping, and it will be guaranteed delivery by Mother's Day. So you want to pre-order GLITZGLAMBOX.com. I don't want to hear it when they sell out, because these are going to sell out. Almost every box we have sells out, like, and then people, like, we're a sleeper hit, you know, people are like, oh, I don't know if I want one, and then we sell out, and then we try to restock, and then it's just a lot. So I suggest, if you are even remotely interested in the Mother's Day box, I suggest you pre-order it, because it's gonna sell out. It's gonna sell out, trust me. So another thing that we have coming out, this will just be on the site just to order whenever, is our new liquid glitters, and I'm so excited. I had to show you guys. I always get in trouble with my sisters for posting spoilers. So these are our liquid glitters, and they are coming out. We just finalized the formula. So there is a gold one, and that is going to be this one. And that's the gold one. Okay, I can't even. I just can't. That's why I was like, I have to put this in the unboxing. I have to show everyone this. And this is the pink. And here we go. Watch this. This is the pink. And this is our liquid glitter. I wore this to Atlantic City on Saturday, and everyone's like, what is on your face? And I'm like, it's my glitter. It's coming out soon. It's liquid glitter. So yeah, these are our new liquid glitters, and they're gonna be posted on the site. I don't know when. I actually don't know when, because we're redoing the packaging, so it's gonna take a little while. But yeah, they should be posted on the site soon. So everyone, thanks so much for watching. Welcome to all our new subscribers. Thank you everyone who posts unboxings. I remember when I was the only person posting unboxings, and I was like, and we're gonna get this and this and this, and now I see other people posting them, and I'm like so happy. Thank you so much. You guys can email us the link, or like DM it to us on Instagram, or tag me in it so I can put it on our unboxing playlist so that you can get more views. Everyone, more views for everyone on YouTube. So everyone, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy your box. Leave me a comment down below. Do tutorials. Don't be scared of the gold leaf. Please, I literally did this in like not even 10 minutes, and it's so fabulous. Like, hello. Hello. This is fabulous. And the lashes just like are, I mean, they're over the top, but yeah, we gave out some natural pairs and some dramatic pairs. And these are our new liquid glitters that are coming out soon. And we have the copper shade and also the pink shade. And don't forget to pre-order your Mother's Day box if you're interested, or if you want to give it as a gift. Yeah, because they're probably gonna sell out, because we had our holiday gift boxes and people were like, if I order it today, can you ship it tomorrow? I'm like, yes I can, but I don't think that it can get there before Christmas. Why didn't you order sooner? So yeah, this is like Christmas Eve, people were ordering stuff. So but anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.